Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by creating a vault specifically for your campaign, name it for clarity and future vault linking. Once done, install essential plugins like daily notes, templates, and backlinks so you can capture ideas fast. Then make a minimal folder structure, 0-0 reference for rules, 10 session for logs, 20 NPCs for characters, to avoid chaos. You do this now to create momentum. It saves hours later when you need to find a treasure, stat block, or plot hook mid-session. You now build templates for encounters, NPC, and loot so every entry follows a predictable pattern. This improves speed and consistency. Once done, link session notes to NPC and location pages with double bracket links to create a web of context. Make liberal use of tags, hash location, hash NPC, hash encounter, so you can filter results instantly. Also use backlinks and the graph view to spot weak areas in your world. That way you know where to add depth before the next game night. You finish by syncing and backing up your vault using Obsidian Sync or a Git workflow so nothing vanishes before a session. Then export session notes or a one-page summary to PDF for quick reference at the table. If things go wrong, duplicate pages or broken links, merge content into a single canonical page, update backlinks, and remove extras to restore clarity. Finally, test opening a session file on another device to confirm sync and layout look correct. That confirms ready.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.